Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Do you want to boost your Windows 11 or 10 performance with the one command? So this video is for you. I will show you how to disable all the unwanted and save to disable services with the help of just one command. So this is the command. You just need to copy and paste this command from my description box and copy and paste this command. So there are 24 to 30 services included in these commands, and these are safe to disable, but it's better to explain each command inside this PowerShell script. So now the first service is SysMain. All the description box I will paste as it is into my description box so that you can read it out. So first service is to disable is SysMain, and it works is older SSD. It helps to on modern SSD unnecessary can cause the hard disk. It analyzes uses pattern or preload frequent uses application into your RAM system memory, and before you can click this option. So it's better to disable this, and there is no harm to your computer. Touch keyboard and handwriting. Service name is this tablet input, and this service is for power on the screen touch keyboard and handwriting recognition panel where you draw the letter with a pen. So if you are using your touchpad laptop or the drawing pen on your laptop, so there is no need to disable it for you. But if you don't use the touchpad or the touch screen touch on your laptop or system, so you can easily disable this. Now the third number service is Windows Mobile Hotspot, and this is up to you. If you shared your hotspot to another computer or even to the laptop or to the mobile device, so this service you don't need to disable. If you don't use the shared connection from your PC, the shared network mobile hotspot, you can easily disable this, and later on you can easily enable it if you use it. The command name is showing up here, icssvc. When you open the services here, simply you can run them as admin, and I have run this script already into my PowerShell. Just need to hit the command like this, and all the services, first it is stopping, then it is disabling, and services command list is here. So first service I'm looking for SysMain. Click anywhere on it and press S on your keyboard and look for SysMain. You can see here it is disabled, but in the future if need arises and you want to use the, let's say, Bluetooth or mobile hotspot service, you can easily go to its properties, make it automatic, apply, start, and OK it. Okay, but in this video I have just shown you to disable all of them like this with the help of just one command. This will help your system to boost up your system performance and will reduce the system services, unnecessary services. Now let's move on to the fourth number service, that is WalletService. It is used for Microsoft Store and handle payments. There is no need to keep enabling it. You can easily disable it. Xbox service if you play game on your computer, so there is no need to keep it enabled. 6 is work folder. Name is Workfolderssvc. You can search here work folder, WOR. You can see here it is disabled. Syncs file between your PC and corporate server, so there is no need to enable this when you are using the home PC. So it's safe to disable. Windows error reporting. When a program crashes, the service collects the data and sends crash report to Microsoft to help them fix bug. So we don't need to keep it enabled, you just save to disable this as well. Windows biometric service. If you don't use a fingerprint scanner or face ID on your computer or laptop, there is no need to keep it enabled. If you want to log in with a PIN or password and don't have the biometric, it's useless. But if you don't have the face ID, camera or scanner on your computer, you can safely disable it. So that is up to you and according to your hardware. Later on you can enable these as well. Ninth number service is smart card. SD card number policy supports a physical card like credit card style using government and high security corporate job to log in into the PC. So there is no need. Your PC is home PC, not a government. So it's good to disable it. Standard user, home user, don't use the smart card readers. 10th is sensor service. Monitor hardware, high sensor, auto brightness and acceleration screen. Desktop don't have these. Laptop often don't need auto brightness, so it's better to disable them. 11th service is remote desktop service. Allow you to connect to your computer from the another device over a network to see the screen and move cursor. So if this host machine you want to connect from another computer, so this will disable it. So you can enable these as well, that is up to you. So service are TermService, SessionEnv, UmRdpService. So if I open the remote services, you can see here remote desktop configuration, remote desktop services, remote desktop services user redirect. All the services I have disabled since there is no need to keep it enabled. Now the 12th number is fax services. If you use your computer or laptop as fax services, so 99% people don't use it, so you can disable it easily. Now print spooler, if you don't use the print, so there is no need to enable it. If you never print and never save to PDF, you can turn it off. Not disabling this will break PDF saving. 14 number service, phone service. If you don't use your phone to your Windows PC, so it is meant to disable, so you can disable it. Parent control, if you are only user or don't use the Microsoft built-in family safety, you can disable it. Net logon, why to disable it? Only used in offices, home PC, don't use domains. Maps manager, why to disable it? Most people use the Google Maps in web browser, so it's safe to disable. Now 18 number is geolocation service. For privacy, if you prefer to type your city into apps manually, so it's better. Diagnostic execution, service name is these services, and this is the word. Why to disable it? They rely on fixed complex procedures and consume background services. 20 is telemetry services. Its work is collect data about how you use Windows, sends it to Microsoft to improve experience. This is the main privacy and service turn off to stop data tracking. Bluetooth support service. This is very important, guys. If you don't use the Bluetooth on your computer, then go through this carefully. If you use headset, mic, keyboard, but if you have desktop and you only use wired USB like that, you can disable it. but in the laptop I don't recommend you to disable these. So with the help of these commands it is disabled. Okay, so you can re-enable it. Just start the service, and if it is saying like this, you need to first of all enable the service, manual, start it, apply, and now you can start these services. Okay, now 22 is BitLocker encryption. If you don't use BitLocker, the service is just taking up space and making your system PC performance lower, so it is better to disable it. Assigned access control, never use for personal PC. If you don't play a games or use an Xbox controller, you can easily disable these Xbox services on your computer. So when you open here and look for Xbox, as you can see here, later on you can enable these as well. So these total services are more than 30 services we have successfully disabled, and I have explained all the things to you. This one command, PowerShell command, you can copy and paste from my description box directly, and you can use at once, and just you need to paste it here like this, and you need to restart your computer. And now let me show you the my computer services here. It has reduced to 192, 194 from almost 240 services I had previously, but when I run it, it has gone to 194, and even it may reduce more than restarting your computer. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.